Hello, my name is Linda. Welcome to Linda's Flower Arrangements. First off, I want to thank everyone that's been helping me with my channel by making suggestions. If you want to make more suggestions, comment below. Let me know what you want to see in my next video. Thank you again. Please like and subscribe my videos. Thank you. Today's arrangement, I will be using a glass beads, some gold background, and a point setup. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to be showing you is how to put the glass beads properly into the glass. Now, if you don't want to break the glass, you have to tip it on its side to gently put them in, like that. Do not put them in like this, because it comes down so fast that it will break the glass. Trust me, I found out the hard way. So that's all you got to do for that. The nice thing about the glass beads is it also gives extra weight at the bottom, so it prevents the arrangement from tipping over. Now I'll show you how to put the flowers in. Now you put the background in first, which is this gold one, and then you put your poinsettia up front, and you make sure it's just the way you want it. And that's all you got to do for this simple Christmas arrangement. I'll show you how it looks when it's finished. This is how it looks when it's totally finished. As you can see, it's very simple and easy to do. I like the simple arrangements. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.